welcome to Terra Naturals. Say goodbye to chapped lips with this best homemade lip balm. Beetroot Lip Balm. Beetroot on lips helps in getting rid of darker lips, making your lips brighter and lighter. It heals dry and chapped lips and acts as a best natural moisturizer for your lips. Because of not adding any artificial tint, I got very mild pinkish shade. If you prefer, you can add some food color to this recipe. I've already posted beetroot oil and beetroot lip balm using beetroot powder. I shared the link in the description box. Let's get started. You need beetroot, shea butter, ghee and preservative. Grate the beetroot and extract the juice like this. Use a white cloth for filter it or use a filter like this. For 1 cup of beetroot juice, I am adding 3/4 cup of shea butter and 1/4 cup of ghee. Add the beetroot juice in a pan and cook it in a low flame. Meanwhile, add shea butter and ghee and keep it in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes. If you don't have oven, double boil the mixture. On seeing this consistency, switch off the flame and add the beetroot juice to the mixture and mix it well. After mixing, once again keep it in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the preservative. Germal Plus is ideal for water in oil and oil in water emulsions, creams, etc. Then add the mixture into a container and a lipstick holder. The natural and hydrated lip balm is ready. Once give a try to this lip balm and leave your feedback. If you like this video, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos. Thank you.